You cannot go wrong coming through the electrical programs at Penn College. The amount of opportunity is limitless.
Everything, for the most part, runs off of electricity in this world. And to be able to operate within that industry, I think is wonderful.
Because there's so many different things you can do in this field. And there's so many options. It's kind of overwhelming what you can do.
Go. If you're interested in the way things function, and work, and wow, how does that work? That's neat. You're interested in the electrical fields.
It's a lot of brain work. They're not interchangeable. Electronics is typically dealing with smaller items, component level, so semiconductors, transistors, diodes, things of that nature. Electrical, we would be the larger scale devices. Transformers, motors, relays.
I enjoy my job thoroughly. I mean, I come to work every day, it's a challenge, something new every day. Able to apply what I learned in school and being able to apply that here, it's very satisfying.
So the electrical technology, they are typically going to be electrical troubleshooters and PLC programmer/repair individuals. Would be able to go to work in electrical construction, whether it's residential or industrial, commercial, down to working in, say, an oil and gas field and everything in between.
I felt like I was well prepared. It's not like your head was in a book 24/7. It was actually do a day's work of hands-on.
We want the students touching here what they're going to be working on when they leave here. We want them to see it.
It's pretty amazing, the things that they were able to learn before they came here.
I feel like every penny was well spent there.
There's open doors all over in the electrical field. We came to building automation for me and many others.
Anytime you create a building today, the lighting has to be pretty much automatic, the HVAC system, security, fire, elevator, all of that control is what our building automation students learn how to do.
When you can press enter on your phone and turn on a piece of mechanical equipment 100 miles away, that's pretty cool.
I think Penn College is doing a great job of introducing their students to the high level of technology within our industry. Students coming out of there are sharp.
We learned almost everything you can do in the field. A lot of the times we had theory before and we talked about the stuff and then went right into lab and tested the theory and brought it all together.
If I didn't have that knowledge base, I would not be where I'm at as quickly as I've gotten there.
The story about the automation students is they'll do an internship in the summer of their junior year. Many of them get offers that following semester from those companies.
It's a big stress off your chest and a big relief knowing that what you've worked for in the college for 4 years is going to seamlessly smooth right into the job.
There's no better feeling than that, to know that you have a place to go to after you graduate. I knew I had to go for mechatronics, just because it encapsulated, of course, the electrical, the mechanical. I wanted to learn more about the hydraulics and pneumatics, as well as networking and the 3D modeling. It all just was perfect.
Where mechatronics has to focus is on, let's call it the entire machine. So they will have to know how to make it electrically function, but they're also going to need to know the powertrain portion, so the actual physical mechanical end of it.
I'm not behind the computer all day long. I'm on the floor testing machines out. I'm on the floor wiring up stuff. So it's kind of like the mechatronics major.
The hands-on nature of the Penn College kids, the ability to make the machines run, and that's why we love you guys.
I rely on my education a lot. Being able to not only learn the theory in the classroom, but right after you learn the theory, be able to work on this stuff hands-on, it just brings the knowledge that you learned in the theory side of things full circle.
If you get bored, you're in the wrong field.
So much out there with someone with an electrical background.
It's all about what you want and where you want to go.
The education that Penn College gives you the opportunity to write your own career path.
Check us out and you will get your money's worth here.